In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GitHub Codespaces with PayPal Checkout. By the end, you'll have a cloud-based development environment running a PayPal Checkout sample so you can test payments safely with sandbox credentials. Start by opening your browser and heading to the PayPal developer website. From the top navigation, hover over the Docs menu, move to Online Payments, and select Checkout. On the Checkout documentation page, look for the Open in Codespaces button. This will launch a pre-configured project in GitHub Codespaces, making setup quick and consistent. Before you proceed, make sure you're signed in with a PayPal developer account. If you don't have one, click Login and then sign up and follow the prompts to create your account. This developer account gives you access to sandbox credentials, which are essential for safe testing. Once you're signed in and ready, return to the checkout page and click Open in Codespaces again. You'll be redirected to GitHub. Leave the default Codespaces options as they are. The sample is already wired for a smooth start. You'll be prompted to provide two values, your PayPal client ID and your PayPal client secret. These are the Sandbox API credentials that will authorize the sample app. Use the provided link to open your PayPal Sandbox API credentials page. Choose the default Sandbox application, then copy the client ID and the client secret. Be sure you're copying from your Sandbox environment, not live, and never share these values publicly. Paste both into the corresponding fields back in GitHub Codespaces. If you want a deeper dive into how sandboxes work, I have a separate video that covers that topic in detail. With your credentials in place, click Create Codespace. The environment will build and configure itself, which usually takes around a minute. This is handled entirely in the cloud, so there's nothing to install locally. When the setup finishes, you'll see a complete browser-based development environment. If a preview doesn't open automatically, look for the localhost link in the interface and click it to launch the running app. You should now see the PayPal checkout integration ready for testing with your sandbox setup. And that's it. You've learned how to spin up GitHub Codespaces with PayPal checkout, test payments safely using sandbox credentials, and collaborate on code without risking live data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.